would like to recognize the presence of Minister, Honorable Michael Moko. You know, Corbett is with some time. The honorable, the word D, it so clearly tells who he is. All the protocols are working observed wherever they are. And the other one, the cognition, the thing, the king to the Jalgo, is in man. That now you need your better community times. You know what Kajani Mari. And in my generation, I don't think there is anybody that is known like myself. I can't repeat it. But non do patcha, a china and the bakui, bayan and the because nothing a lola and dollar choloque ben. Choloque, that names in is the brand that I carry all over here. So, a year and read, but don't call you in it, and of course, of what I have done to a number of our people. Now, when I came, no one knew who I was. So, but I think a problem, a panda. And I know Kichara way sometimes I tend to correct it. I would want to be delivered the Kubaleo way, the Banman collar, Chitao Bani. Kabanjam didn't check a junior because I'm a politician. I don't talk politics. But being a retail business. So when you want to talk business, come to me with business. Kanega being a reader and I do it better than others. Because I'm working here. So now we call it to winter ahead of the coit of we call the Kilian Corbanil. Overkele Kaka business, tell you way P1 Galvin. No, but business, but all Umaja chill, a Bayakamu Kajide. It start with it. A joke longing. And so I would want to say, we coach leadership, one no colelo. Well, about Bangario, Netung Ranyaren Tayakalwilla. No one Kawaja, Chol Brian Tracy. Why are many people more successful than others? And why Michael more successful than his colleagues in the ministerial leadership? Can it not come from outside? It starts with you as an individual. You know what distinguish? So it's the same thing that I would want to say now. Korbaya Ben Kalwel Simon Sinek, why do you want to become a leader? You in Korbaya Ben. Then what are you going to do to the people that you are going to lead? Because you will have a number of people that will in your leadership. Then how are you going to turn that around and make it a useful leadership to the society? But I business in nature. That is how we start business. And now when you start business, you now get into establishing and developing a business. Growing a business, it starts with you as an individual. So manto wekene ajagi children are ping madinga cholwel gen out going interim leadership. Because the children the community. Neke kara jore tok. Pure berat pure. Kuna nong ran bijal ko ni ka biyo the league. So kene ne ko ba lewe ka cha na cha ya ba ni man kol. Ka ka biwe lu focus is that ache ba yala ko ku biwe ko to kula support. Where you can just set up a small business where you would be investing that money that you will collect from some of your people, some of the leaders, some of the elder brothers and uncles. It can back business to trade when the students of the universities and higher institutions of learning, but they'll set up a can be running. In Kabiwe, Louis printing, we will cock of the took Louis Barke out in that one. Some of you who are still in the schools, be all Louis when they do not have lectures. What you about will get Bugalum, then we are celebrating German. By the way, I don't come into this. I think in the second time, but Ben and the born a clean year, it's all women, I mean, the ladies got bored women, maternity something. Because I came here because no Indian more, that is where I give my money, but I can go Gamra and Bagala Cham or Bagala thing, I don't do that. And here might want to call it 10. Because we the check without it, that didn't go, which man talk. So can I call away a chan eba yellow vehicle, Kubar, Pir, job from where you are individually. So a business away, you need to go for professional courses after you took courses. Chanalwell Keba pick courses can you lobby in plat, the Chingaping. But if you go for maybe 12 weeks or 24 weeks, you will be a different person. So Kaka like a way I can go picking where I get long matter. Kran way a brief for another 5 or even 10 years it can go. So Kaka like a way I can bag a ping up when they on but that way can jam no because I was away and the Boa yesterday. I was not here. And briefly the other week, Kujal do and I do intentionally for this function. A China Babajaman week, a business of Corbele week. A China Chindabayu, there is no space, a Chanbalela, Kuma, Buakan, or light up Palwegaman. The country on the cheap and young week, aware about it, you think that because what you know, then can do cool way. You know, the loom, I got me at the Rabak, or up over like a court, you have a lad, and I have quite fanging it. Talking no. Kabiga Gampa talking no. So watching which lawyer if you would want to establish your own brand. I thought by the thing I never get, you can become an international person. Then we need that plan has the best brand. Then any buy run to the ring buy anyone would always come and buy from your place if you make it a clean place. Kanu Jambananga University degree, every was Kubalakor, Kubaloy. But a Chebania Lal Brand, Piojan, and the Alam did, and German joke on Nala Band, which in Gilly Pony. So I want to be deliberate. You need to focus in what you want to achieve. Kormuka in Iran. Because ideas are born out of the thought process. And the nature of any entrepreneur that would want to thrive is to have those imaginations in which he is supposed to turn them into workable things. You cannot just become an entrepreneur because and you can be the by the way, actually you cannot. I can open one for one of you after 3 months or 4 of you just collapse. Because of your benefit to be with you. So you. Don't take a pass to find one responsibility there. Corrupt bill by Aran. A chan banang to conloira. Because the liability man told you to pull it in on Hopon. And so now, no, which you're new. Automatically in Banang Kijalba Quaniran later. But now, Law Goldman and a man to Japan, one on by the way, in America called Bala Pula Dumina team together. So, business, you have to own your businesses. We set them out and work hard in order to make sure we are successful. High business people. And for you to become a successful business person, let's call your commitment. You must be a very committed person. You will go into a number of encounters because a lot of talents is at all. Then you are dead into below. So could you about chopping individually? A chanba pidu kalo, a chanba badan gam kok one bakanya, bakanang, a chanba, the Kai Wuke. baya kar mo sula huku baya kam finga do bacan bachela cholo wundu dada lo ni ngi ko biran we kana lo chen bande dama or no an opportunity available lo yi kichola anya nguna malan and I have been very hard on them. I can't not because I can't but I'm trying to show them because I had no one else who was helping me. I think we can lawyer and man damn away because I had no any other help anyway. So, but of course, that is the nature of life. We have to live like that and change ourselves. We have to work so hard to make sure we become who we are today. The key now, we look at Nongan, Baroge, or I am an MD Michael and I just took and run on Michael Uncle. And we can never allow him to own get a day to you. We think that you can bad where we not and have it. So, you cannot tell when you matana, you wouldn't mind what you look at your Michael, though, a true gummy, because no, it's still saw them, they look who bank of any Aqua move. So what you not do, but use the network that he has. Be not kung yellow, but why the way through networking. So can you call the way? Can happen? How am I supposed to do this? By a successful thing a day. Politics, you are welcome, Lord, you can join politics. But politics, I tell well coaching can and I'm change politics. Do you think look one in Kuru who can do chin to the way watchman to a few baby? We will not waste the time. So, Konon Gakin, the mega concord, I don't go you into politics. Well, a German got one other day. So, but then I don't think, and that's been near posing about we politics, but Ethiopia is one of the things I call because I love business. All of business well from morning up to evening. Long I've been angry, decade, that is what I believe in. Yes. So the rest of the things for I can and for maybe it's politics natural the bigger business now. But I don't see that maybe in the near future. But what about you connected when the case and we are working? And no one you quite take at some point. But Louis Nakade in Korga. So Kidi and Korba Lewe in Gurkin. But that business, you guys have to go out, be aggressive. How did he get there? How will I actually make it to be known like Mr. So and so? I could buy a more or anything. No. You need to. So, Kachira Car, we go to deep, go aim to cool, to cool. Kuemi to cool to Warakol. So Kidian Kakar, Lewe, Kachan Bajalwaya. Chinakuman the way, but kill away business, there is a space. Being a kilo in rod, the lawyer can recon. So Chiwanaman and I will early today, no money calamat. No, get you back, and the one year no. So Kichikan car, Baleda, no Gideon Coral way. And I have mentored a number of young people. I have mentored them. It can be our business, and it could be, and indeed, some of them are successful. One or answer, just a little qualified, cat call. A little qualified, one of my boys. I like him because they're not business like me. Kulan Bokan Makana, because they go little in Korea, they can't go like a phone mobile money. From there on, go learn Korbak in you, and Korbak in you. Well, Corbalo do local ideas, you know, but come out with your own initiative, your noble idea. The originality of the idea has to come from you. It's an appear. But the lawyer, but a local, the media will come and I don't have child because I don't understand this. And what I need. How they even make money out of it. I can't being with you. So, okay. A little quality the football go look at a thing, but a day and will die, or not of it. A Makana, a car with a Ninkelabe. Well, let's on Kirala, one of our Mago. What are the first people in the corner here? Cat for that. On the cup of tea, what Abakan Chim, Gerard marketing. You could do a big. Indeed, a airman call A deal thing a Louis no occasion you get contracted. So man little call him toy, it doesn't need anything anywhere, but he's concentrating in his business. But if they are successful, that gentleman is very aggressive. And I would actually want to have 20% from you, Maluaya.